Today, we're diving into how Afterpay can revolutionize your Walmart app shopping experience. First things first. Make sure you have both the Walmart app and the Afterpay app downloaded on your device and that you're logged into both. This integration happens seamlessly, so having both ready is key. When you're ready to make a purchase, browse the Walmart app as you normally would, add the items you want to your cart. Just like any other shopping trip, Afterpay works for eligible items, so keep an eye on your total. Once your cart is full, proceed to checkout on the payment selection screen. You won't see Afterpay directly as a payment option initially. Instead, you'll select the credit, debit card option. This is where the magic happens. Now, open your Afterpay app. On the main screen, you'll see a button to generate a single-use card. Tap this button and confirm the amount that matches your Walmart order total. Afterpay will instantly create a virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV. Copy these virtual card details from the Afterpay app, go back to the Walmart app's payment screen and paste or type in the Afterpay virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV into the credit, debit card fields. Once you've entered the Afterpay card details, simply complete your purchase as you normally would. Afterpay will process the payment in for interest-free installments, making your shopping experience more flexible than ever. It's that easy.